Hello, Riddhu.
Hello, Ma.
Please first get ready. You just look like a chapri.
Yes, I'm a chapri.
You're a chapri. What is the definition of chapri? Could you please explain?
Sting.
Okay, tell me. What is the definition of chapri?
Sting.
Yes?
Sting.
Sting? What is this sting?
छपरी
Hmm?
लड़के छपरी drink.
Chapri, ladke chapri. I am not.
Drink.
Okay.
That drink एक आती है छपरी वाली.
We are talking about any drink
Yes.
that comes.
Sting.
Sting. Okay, sting drink. Okay. So let it be. So today in this video, you know what's your name?
My name is Blush.
Braz Agrawal. Okay, but I
Rhythm.
okay rhythm, but I like rhythm. So rhythm
Mama.
means so I always speak with my. I always call my son by rhythm. Okay.
I always call my son by rhythm. So this sentence was wrong. So the right sentence is I always call my son rhythm.
No, Liddu.
Riddhu. Okay, Riddhu. So Riddhu, do you know English?
Little much.
What? Little bit. Okay. So why don't you like this language? Even though this language is very fascinating and each and every person wants to speak this language. So why don't you like?
Because nobody is speaking this.
Nobody speaks English.
Yes.
Yeah, but you want to others make this in language speak. So first of all, you will have to start speaking.
So did you notice one thing? While speaking, I make a lot of mistakes as I made in this video. So there was a sentence, अगर आप दूसरों से इंग्लिश बुलवाना चाहते हो तो सबसे पहले आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ेगी. And I made this sentence incorrect. Instead of speaking that version, you will have to speak if you want others to speak this language. So first of all, you will have to start speaking. So this is the right version. Even though I knew the correct version, but while speaking, it happens with me.
By your own. After that, you.
Wait.
Hmm?
मैंने अपनी दुनिया से ये बोलने सुने.
What?
आप सभी दुनिया से कहो वो इंग्लिश बोले.
Okay, he is saying you speak to everybody. Just speak English all the day and everywhere and every day.
That sentence was wrong. The correct sentence is he is saying, Mama, tell everyone to speak English.
Yeah, this thing is right because at my home nobody speaks English. Only I try to speak English with my children. So only for me, only with me they speak English. Otherwise they don't speak. And if I talk about the school's atmosphere, so the atmosphere is totally in Hindi. So everybody speaks Hindi, and even though their syllabus is in English medium, but when it comes to explain any chapter, so ma'am and sir, again I was in a hurry. Sorry for that. So so teachers explain each and everything in Hindi.
Wait.
Yes, many of yes.
Plants do give आपको एक चीज बतानी है इस लेटर से L प्लस A प्लस B प्लस B
L plus
L A B U
Labubu.
आप जल्दी कैसे
Oh, I'm your mama. I know Labubu. because most of the time you talk about labubu and video games. You never talk about study, you never talk about English, so most of the time you do only these things. That is why I know.
I like a favorite thing is
Yes.
games.
Okay, so you know what, first of all you have to keep remember one thing in your mind. This is my English spoken channel, so you have to speak English in this channel. Okay, you have your channel, so on that channel you want to do anything whatever you want to do. Okay, so on this channel you have to speak in English. Okay, now Ritam, could you please tell me about your study? Which subject do you like the most?
English.
English you like the most. Why? Why do you like?
Because English is writing so easy.
English writing is so easy.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm not talking about English writing because you are in English medium.
That sentence was incorrect. Instead of speaking that sentence, you are in English medium. So you have to speak. You are from an English medium school.
The, you know very well how to write dictation, how to understand the English chapters. Okay, but I'm just talking about the English grammar, specifically English grammar.
English grammar तो मैं always अच्छी है.
Okay, it is good. Yes.
मैम से पहले कर लेती हूँ.
Yeah. So did you notice guys what happened when I started speaking this language? Many people says, why do you need to learn English, why do you want to make your son speak English? So I always say to them, it is very important, it is necessary, because I taught my son each and everything in English. And now these days in their books, in his books, in his grammar book, so he doesn't need help to anybody. He doesn't need. He
While speaking, I made a lot of mistakes. I know this thing very well, and it happens with me, so that I am practicing in this way. And the sentence was which I spoke that was wrong. So instead of speaking that sentence, I should have spoken there. He doesn't need anybody's help. अब उसको किसी की मदद की जरूरत नहीं है. Now he doesn't need anybody's help.
solve his grammar topics, even grammar topics in English. See, he solve very easily. Before making it done by the ma'am, he solved each and everything by himself. So this is the privilege that I got. So yeah, if you have children, so you should speak English. Rhythm. And apart from this, could you please elaborate your daily routine? What do you do after waking up, and at what time do you wake up?
Okay.
Okay.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I brush up.
Not brush up, then I brush my teeth.
Then I brush my teeth. Then I go to take a bath. Then I take my tea. Then
Okay.
I go to school.
Hmm.
Then I come from the
Mhm.
school. Then I change my clothes.
Okay.
Then I sit to wash.
Speak a little bit louder.
Then I starting. Then I watch TV
Okay.
all the day.
So after that, he only does one thing, watching TV all the time. He never study after returning school, because uh, at school he does all the things, all the homework. He doesn't need to write anything and doesn't need to learn anything at home. So really he studies at home. So this is the privilege, I must say, and I got a lot of uh, opportunity after learning this language, literally, because my son is completely able to understand his books in a very easy way, even though he explains each and everything to others in a very easy language. So this is the thing. Okay, Rhythm, So, do you have any question that you want to ask me?
Wait.
Okay. What I do in this?
Okay.
Okay.
That thing is in Hindi.
In Hindi?
Yes.
No, but you should try to speak in English because most of the time and whole the time.
Okay.
Yes, I keep speaking English.
Okay, tell me the
Hmm.
Tell me the answer.
Okay,
Right.
okay.
Uh,
Okay. So, yes, I have a question. I will ask you.
okay,
If you were an Iron Man, what would you do?
I will fly.
Okay, give me the long answer.
I will
The
fly
long answer would be expected to you.
and fire and
No, you have to speak like this. If I were an Iron Man,
if I were Iron Man, I would fly. I would survive.
does Iron Man fly?
Yes.
Oh,
Uh.
okay. Okay, you would fly
And destroy every houses.
oh my god. So this thing that you wanted to do, destroy everything. Why?
No,
Don't you feel?
no.
Yes.
जो गलत काम करेगा ना उसको मैं
Okay,
वापस
whoever person will do the wrong work, so only those people. Okay.
हाँ, दोस्त
You would kill. Okay. And whoever is good, so you help them. Okay. Okay, so this is the good thing. And one more question. If you got right now, if you got one Thar right now, Thar or something else, or which
Defender.
okay, Defender. If you got Defender right now,
Hmm.
so and that Defender is kept far from here, 5 kilometers far from here. Okay, and you have to steal the Defender. Okay, you have to steal. No, why? Come here. Okay, so if you have to, okay, so you have to steal the Defender, and there are many cops around the Defender. So what would you do?
I destroy them.
What?
Mama,
What did you destroy?
I have a gun, 8047.
You will have a gun, and through the gun, what will you do?
छुप जाऊंगा दीवार के पीछे.
Okay, so this was only for fun. I never teach my son like this to steal anything, because stealing is wrong. So I never teach my son like this. So if you like the video, so yes, so in this way I make my son practice, because I really want my children speak English. So this is the way that I follow. And
I want to sell the friends.
okay.
I have a YouTube channel, Argamos. So you have to reveal the face. I didn't reveal the face in my video, so this is my face.
Okay, you didn't reveal your face in those videos. So okay, so here on this channel, Rhythm revealed his face. Okay. So bye. Keep practicing and subscribe my channel. So bye.